In today's modern homes, the laundry room is evolving from a simple, functional space into a highly efficient, stylish, and even enjoyable area, thanks to AI-driven design technology. The ultimate walk-through laundry room can now be tailored to fit any home's unique needs and aesthetics. In this video, we explore 15 different AI-generated walk-through laundry room themes, each designed to optimize space, improve workflow, and elevate the overall home experience. Let's dive into the future of laundry rooms, where innovation meets practicality. 1. Minimalist Zen Laundry Room. AI designs this theme to emphasize simplicity and calm, in neutral tones, hidden storage compartments, and sleek. Handleless cabinets make this space feel clutter-free and relaxing. The workflow is optimized with strategically placed washer, dryer, and folding stations, allowing for smooth movement. 2. Farmhouse Charm Laundry Room. Inspired by rustic design, this layout features shiplap walls, vintage-style cabinetry, and open shelving. AI adds functional elements like a built-in drying rack and a cozy seating nook. It's perfect for homeowners who want a warm, inviting laundry space with plenty of storage. 3. Compact Urban Laundry Room. Ideal for small apartments or city homes, AI creates a highly efficient walk-through laundry room that maximizes every inch. Stackable washer, dryer units, fold-down ironing boards, and smart storage cubes help make the most of limited space without sacrificing style. 4. Tech-integrated Smart Laundry Room. AI incorporates smart home technology for this theme, including voice-activated appliances, app-controlled washer, dryer settings, and sensor lighting. This design streamlines laundry chores with minimal effort and integrates seamlessly into a modern smart home ecosystem. 5. Eco-friendly Sustainable Laundry Room. With a focus on green living, AI suggests energy-efficient appliances, water-saving faucets, and recycled material cabinetry. The room includes a compost bin and a sorting system for eco-conscious laundry practices. It's promoting sustainability alongside functionality. 6. Luxury Spa-inspired Laundry Room. This design transforms the laundry area into a spa-like retreat with calming colors, natural stone countertops, and ambient lighting. AI plans a built-in sink for hand-washing delicate items and ample counter space for folding, creating an elevated experience. 7. Industrial Chic Laundry Room. Featuring exposed brick, metal shelving, and concrete flooring. This theme is perfect for those who love a modern industrial look. AI enhances it with durable surfaces and heavy-duty appliances, designed for high-volume laundry tasks. 8. Vintage Retro Laundry Room. AI recreates nostalgic charm by incorporating pastel color palettes, checkerboard flooring, and retro appliances with modern efficiency. This theme blends old-school aesthetics with today's laundry technology. 9. Family-friendly laundry room. Designed with busy families in mind, AI incorporates sorting bins for kids' clothes, a dedicated pet laundry station, and plenty of counter space for folding and organizing. Safety features and durable materials ensure it withstands everyday wear and tear. 10. Open Concept Laundry Room. Perfect for open-plan homes, AI creates a walk-through laundry that flows naturally into adjacent living spaces. Stylish cabinetry and sliding doors help conceal appliances when not in use, keeping the room neat and visually appealing. 11. Craftsman-style laundry room. Inspired by classic craftsmanship, this theme features rich wood tones, its built-in cabinetry, and handcrafted details. AI plans custom storage for sewing supplies and laundry essentials, merging beauty and utility. 12. Bold, color-blocked laundry room. For those who want to make a statement, AI designs a vibrant space with contrasting color blocks, graphic wallpaper, and funky accessories. This theme injects personality while keeping the workflow practical. 13. Multifunctional Laundry and Mudroom. Combining two essential home functions, AI integrates storage for shoes, coats, and cleaning supplies alongside laundry appliances. Hooks, benches, and cubbies keep everything organized in this efficient transitional space. 14. High-tech Automated Laundry Room. AI designs a futuristic space equipped with robotic laundry folders, automated detergent dispensers, and app-connected machines that notify users when cycles finish. This design prioritizes convenience and cutting-edge technology. 15. Cozy cottage laundry room with soft pastels, beadboard walls, and vintage lighting. AI creates a charming, cottage-style laundry room. Open shelving displays linens and baskets, while a cozy window seat invites you to relax during chores. Why AI-designed walk-through laundry rooms are game changers. These 15 unique themes highlight how AI can revolutionize the way we design functional spaces. From compact urban setups to luxurious spa retreats, AI tailors solutions that save space, boost efficiency, and enhance aesthetics. Thanks to machine learning and pattern recognition, AI considers user habits, spatial constraints, and even emotional preferences to generate layouts that suit every lifestyle. These designs integrate smart technology, eco-conscious materials, and ergonomic workflows that reduce fatigue and improve productivity. Whether you're remodeling an existing laundry room or planning a new build, AI-assisted design can help create a walk-through laundry room that's not just practical, but a joy to use. Final thoughts: the future of home design is here. With AI-driven creativity and precision, walk-through laundry rooms become more than just a chore zone. They transform into inspiring, multi-purpose spaces tailored to your needs. If you want to learn more about AI and home design, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Share your favorite laundry room theme in the comments below.